Good evening, everyone. You join us for this match between the Hobart Hurricanes and the Perth Scorchers. Players look ready. The umpires are in position for the first ball. The bowlers will want to focus on their line and lengths and let the ball do the rest.
Yes.
There'll be runs here.
Keeper.
Good precision with the throw, back from the deep. Immediately underway with some runs.
Oh dear, played on. A hint of misfortune, and that is out.
An innings that promised much and really, in the end, delivered very little. Pretty disappointing all round.
And with that wicket, we'll see a change out in the middle. Munro, whose first task is getting themselves settled.
Yes.
Edge. Amazing delivery. There'll be one run here for them.
And with that, they're off the mark.
Inglis comes out to bat in a bit of form, but it'll be interesting to see how they go today. Inglis takes guard, been in pretty good touch lately. You wouldn't want to let them get away early with some easy boundaries.
Yep.
Great shot. Placement exquisite.
Well, that was a really solid shot. Read the length early to get onto the front foot, and that raced away for 4.
Meredith shouldn't be too worried about that last ball. They've got them playing their shots, just need to tighten their areas now.
Yep.
Oh, faintest of sounds. No one to catch it though.
Didn't time it at all, but managed to get it away to the boundary.
Inglis is really starting to get on top of this bowling. May need a few changes to halt this momentum.
Yep.
Right out of the middle.
That's a brilliantly aggressive shot. Gets onto the front foot, and it's flown over the boundary.
End of the over. 17 runs coming from it. The Scorchers are 17 for 1. Thompson, the right-arm medium bowler, is coming into the attack from the river end.
Yes.
Very sweet off the bat, and 4 all the way.
Nothing really wrong with the delivery. Got onto the front foot and found the space to get that one to the boundary.
Boundary off the last ball. What's to come off this delivery, I wonder?
Yes.
Right off the middle of the bat.
That's what you pay the entrance money for. It's flown into the crowd. A brilliant shot off the front foot. No need to move.
Cuts that off well in the infield.
Not a great delivery. Got it full and lucky not to be hit to the boundary.
Yep.
Nice shot. Runs possible.
A little flick of the wrist to get it round the corner for an easy run.
Yep.
Great shot through the gap.
Had all the time in the world to get in position to play that ball. Timed it nicely for 4 runs.
Inglis has got the big shot away this over. Now they can focus on playing the next ball on its merits.
Waiting.
Can't get that outside the ring field.
Short and wide. Did well to get some bat on that.
End of the over, 15 runs coming from it. The Scorchers are 32 for 1. Lamishane given the job here to bowl the last over of the innings.
Yep.
Got all of it, and for 6.
Wow, power off the front foot, goes all the way.
I'd like to see them aim for the top of off now. As a bowler, you've got to make them play on your terms.
Yes.
Oh my, that's racing away.
Too wide. It was there to be hit, and it was really given the treatment.
Don't need to do anything special. Line and length is the key. Hit right on the body. Misjudged it a bit maybe, but couldn't seem to get out of the way. That will have hurt. Brilliant bowling. Having got the edge the previous ball, they now know the areas they need to be hitting. Does very well to get quickly across to that one.
Yes.
High, high, high in the air. This should be an easy chance. Taken. A really good one too.
Well, they lose the second wicket. It's a long way back to the sheds, and you can tell they're not happy with that dismissal.
The field will come up now, you'd think. Pressure should definitely be on the new batter, who strides to the middle. They'll be looking for another quick wicket.
Yep.
They'll get at least one. End of the over, 11 runs coming from it. The Scorchers are 43 for 2. And that's the end of the innings.
Waiting.
Doesn't beat the infield.
Lovely shot to start the innings. Unfortunate they just couldn't find a gap.
Yep.
4 runs, square of the wicket. Excellent shot.
Just perfection, a majestic shot. You just cannot hit it any better than that. Raced away to the boundary.
Yep.
Not taken. A boundary, but not a convincing one. Just need to keep it simple. Line and length, around about off stump, and that'll force the mistake.
Yes.
Great shot through the gap. Perfect timing.
Got forward well and was able to drive the ball. A lovely shot and good running.
A lot of pressure coming to the crease. Not had the best of weeks leading up to this game, and will want to show everyone their strength.
Yes.
Incredible shot, straight through the covers. 4 runs.
The fielder could only pick that up off the boundary rope. Punched that away through the covers with exquisite timing.
Can't bowl there. Too full and helped on its way.
You can't fault that shot. Nicely played, and it was 4 runs all the way.
Questions will begin to be asked. Should the captain make a change? A big over that one. Too many loose deliveries. Richardson coming on, obviously hoping the pace will cause some trouble.
Yeah.
Easy catch. Didn't have to move really.
A trudge back to the pavilion. A disappointing display in the end. For someone with such batting skills, this goes down as a fail.
Lots of pressure coming into bat. Will have to wait though to face their first ball. it. Now then, was there a faint edge? And again, see you later, 2 wickets on the trot.
Well, this is a fantastic wicket. Kept the runs down. Really didn't get settled. Looked to be in trouble, sadly, for most of the knock.
The new batter will probably just look to survive this ball before even thinking about scoring.
Yep.
Super shot.
Onto the front foot early, placed it perfectly into the gap. Timed it nicely for 4 more.
A good contest here at the moment. 4 off the last ball, and it'll be interesting to see how the bowler can respond.
Yes.
Lovely timing. Will this one go to the fence?
You can't fault the bowling. Sometimes your opponent is just too good. Wonderful front foot shot, and there was absolutely no point in chasing that.
Yep.
Really good shot there.
It was wide and suitably dealt with.
Turner, I don't think, will be too happy with their bowler at the moment.
Waiting.
Good piece of fielding to stop some runs.
Brooke shakes their head. He was there to be hit, but couldn't make the most of it.
Really playing all their shots that over, really expensive. Ty into the attack now, from the river end.
Right on.
No runs on that occasion, got into position nicely, just too early on the shot and couldn't find the gap.
Yeah.
Oh my, that's just flown off the middle.
That just drifted a bit and pounced on. Hit high and mighty. They'll be very happy with that.
You can see how good this pitch can be for batting. You want the player coming forward, but it's a tight margin. Only a touch full and put away.
Hold on.
Couldn't get it through the field.
Yep.
That's gone all the way, right out of the middle.
Just missed the line. Not the worst delivery, but that was dispatched with interest. Everyone just watched that gnaw.
Score's now level, just 1 run needed. Only a batting meltdown could stop victory now.
Yeah.
Saw that early. No one's catching that. Great shot.
And that marks the end of the match. The Hobart Hurricanes have taken the victory. Thank you very much.
That's all from us in the commentary box. It's been an amazing match. Hope to see you soon.